Hello everybody. Today we make the paste into curry. You add 2 tablespoons of curry paste to the wok. Next, you will want to add 2 mugs of water or 700 milliliters. Now you will want to whisk them all together until very smooth, like this. Just keep mixing, it will come together. Then, once it is ready, you add in 1 chicken stock cube and whisk again. Once the stock cube is dissolved, add in 1 tablespoon sugar and whisk it up again. Then, once it is smooth, add in 1 tablespoon of MSG for flavor. Now, you just keep mixing. The curry paste, it matures for 48 hours. Gives enough time for a lot of flavor. Once the paste has matured, you can just put in airtight container and keep in your fridge. Will last up to 6 months. Now, the final ingredient, a teaspoon of salt to taste. If you're not already, you can watch on our YouTube. MrChang show you how make curry paste that we use today for this sauce. You just keep mixing on low simmer until it becomes the right consistency. This be personal choice of how thick or runny you prefer the sauce to be. This curry paste in the video we did last time makes enough for 15.5 liters of curry sauce. Most Chinese charge £3 for portion curry. That would work out £150. Total cost to make at home £9.50. So you save over £140 for 15.5 liter curry sauce. We know make curry long time. Can't wait, tonight we make big chicken ball. Lovely jubbly.